2025 Mazda CX-5 cabin air filter. Put up your glove box, disconnect the damper here, just pull on it, move it out of the way. Glove box stoppers, just push these in, pull the glove box down. I'll do that on both sides. Okay. You're gonna have to go back and forth a little bit, then the glove box will come down like this. Here's your cabin air filter. Just pull it right out. Get serviced with the door. Okay, this one is mad dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and show my customer this filter and recommend a filter because I don't have one approved yet. This is good evidence that you need a filter. These are super cheap. You usually get a pair for like I think $10 on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description box and in the comment box where you can get a new one. Yeah, it's that easy. It goes right back in there like that. Make sure this tab is facing down. Close the glove box like that. Just get the damper, snap it back on. You're all done. I'll really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button for me. I really need some subscribers. It helps the channel out, and I'll help you out next time you're looking for some info on your Mazda. My videos will pop up first. I have a pretty big catalog. If this video was helpful, really appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, and be so kind to leave me a comment. That'd be great.